Now let's see the difference between the dimension style which we just created and the standard one. So go to Home tab, select line. We will change the layer to default layer, and then we will draw our line. Press escape to end command. Again, we will draw another line. Also press escape to end command. Now go to annotated tab. Here we can see it is fit RB. Left click. First we will start with standard. Select standard. And then click on dimension. Select first point. Left click. Select second point. Left click. Move a little bit up and then left click. Press escape to end command. Now we will select the one which we just created. Left click. This is our dimension style, fit RP. Left click. Click on dimension. First point and second point. Press escape to end command. And here it is, we can see the difference between both. Here we can see it is in feet scale. And here it is not showing in feet scale.